Unlock the secret to a thriving business with our high-quality kids book empire. Now at an unbeatable price of just $15. Imagine having 101 meticulously crafted children's stories at your fingertips, ready to captivate young minds and boost your sales. Each story is beautifully illustrated and available in a convenient digital format, offering endless flexibility and possibilities. The children's book market is booming, valued at over $22 billion, and you can now tap into this lucrative niche effortlessly. With unrestricted private label rights, you can edit, personalize, and rebrand these stories to fit your unique vision and brand identity. Sell these stories on platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and Google Play, or transform them into audiobooks to reach an even wider audience. Create an exclusive membership platform, offering subscribers access to your premium ebook collection for a steady, recurring income. Categorize and resell your ebooks within different niches and genres, making it easy for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Establish your brand authority by consistently delivering high-quality content that keeps customers coming back for more. Dive into the kids' book empire today and watch your profits soar with guaranteed money from private label rights sales.